Good morning children. How are you all? कैसे हो आप लोग? क्या आपको मैम दिख रही है? नहीं। बताओ बताओ क्यों नहीं दिख रही है? क्योंकि हम लोग आज शैडोज से बातें करेंगे। किससे? शैडोज से। So children, today we will be studying something about shadows, है ना? तो मैम अभी आपको कुछ शैडोज दिखाती है और आप क्विकली मुझे बताओ कि ये क्या है। Are you all ready? Hoo. What is this? This is a giraffe. क्या है ये? Giraffe. अगर ये जिराफ है तो भाई ये कौन है? ये है मम्मा जिराफ, है ना? दिस इज अ बेबी जिराफ एंड दिस इज अ मम्मा जिराफ। और बताओ ये क्या है? दिस इज अ crocodile. So children, are you all ready for a very nice story through shadow play? चलो चलो चलो, आप लोग सब रेडी हो जाओ। Once upon a time, in a jungle, lived a mother elephant named Appu and a baby elephant named Baby Appu. They used to walk together in the jungle. And you know what? The baby elephant was very curious. He always wanted to see what is happening everything around. His mother had always told him that don't go anywhere alone. But he always used to go everywhere away from his mother. One day, while he was walking, he got lost and he started walking alone in the jungle. Suddenly, he saw a small hole near a tree and he started looking in the hole कि उसमें क्या है? When he was seeing inside, पता है होल में से क्या निकला? There came a snake. होल के अंदर से एक स्नेक निकल गया और जो एलिफेंट है वो बहुत ही डर गया। The baby elephant was very scared. Help me! Help me! And the snake started coming near to the elephant. Just as the snake was about to bite the baby Appu, पता है कौन आ गया? उसकी मम्मा आ गई और उसकी मम्मा ने स्नेक को ऐसे करके स्नेक को मार दिया और स्नेक मर गया। And baby Appu was very happy and he sat on his mother. और उसकी मम्मा ने पता है उसको क्या बोला? कि हमेशा मम्मा के साथ रहना है, हमें कभी भी अकेले कहीं नहीं जाना है। So children, हमें यहाँ से क्या सीख मिली? What did we learn from the story? That we always need to follow whatever our mother and father have told us. अगर हम कहीं बाहर जाते हैं, कहीं घूमने जाते हैं तो मम्मा पापा के साथ ही रहना है ना? अलग अलग नहीं जाना है। फिर अगर कुछ प्रॉब्लम हुई तो वहां मम्मा पापा नहीं होंगे। So always listen to your parents. Once upon a time, there lived two parrots in their nest on a tree. And one day came a monkey. Whoop, whoop, whoop. And the monkey started jumping on their nest. The monkey loved to jump. He even told the parrots, "Chalo, chalo, chalo, we all will jump together." But the parrots did not like the noise which the monkey was making. And so they told the monkey, "Monkey, go away from our house. Go, go, go." One day came a snake, and the snake tried to attack the nest of the parrot. They were really frightened and they started calling for help. "Help! Help! See, the snake is coming and eating our eggs." And the parrots flew away from their home because they were very frightened. The monkey saw all this and he climbed up the tree, and you know what did he do? He started beating the snake. Go away from my friend's house." The snake was very frightened. He was very afraid. So he went away. The parrots saw this and they were very happy. They told the monkey, "Thank you very much. You saved our eggs and our house." The parrots realized their mistake, and the parrots and the monkey became best friends. So children, what did you understand from this story? क्या समझ आया आपको? Tell me. हमें ये समझ आया that we always should be good friends with our neighbors. See, the monkey was the neighbor of the parrots, है ना? तो पहले तो इन्होंने इसके साथ फ्रेंडशिप नहीं की, पर फिर जब मंकी ने उनके घर को बचाया तो पैरट्स को समझ आया कि नहीं, हमारा नेबर तो बहुत अच्छा है. सो वी शुड ऑलवेज हैव गुड फ्रेंडशिप विथ आवर नेबर्स. सो चिल्ड्रन, डिड यू अंडरस्टैंड? आपको स्टोरी समझ में आई? सो आज हमने क्या देखा? हमने स्टोरी सुनी है ना. कैसे स्टोरी हमने सुनी है? विथ शैडोज. डिड यू ऑल एंजॉय? है ना, बहुत मजा आया. तो आप ये स्टोरी जो है वो अपने मम्मा पापा को सुनाना, अपने फ्रेंड्स को सुनाना, ठीक है ना. सो चिल्ड्रन, see you all in the next class. And now ma'am is making a heart. Bye.